boys, we're given 3 other CB radios today. Given a TRC-415, a TRC-474, and a Uniden President AX14. So for the next 3 videos, I'll be doing a video on each of these radios. Basically doing the inside and out, as well as testing them on the air and see what kind of transmit power they put out, if they're doing anything at all, and see if they're even powering up. So anyways, what we'll do, we'll start from the top and work our way down. So the first video that will be coming up will be on the realistic TRC-415. So we'll start with this one and see where it goes. Okay, so first off we have a TRC-415. The silver-faced AM chicken band radio. There's 2 versions of this: black face, silver face, same radio. But this is actually, this type of radio I was never really a fan of, just because of this drop down they got on them. To be honest, I just had it like on the side of the radio. Probably would have been better, but no, they put it on the bottom. Don't know why they did that. I guess it's good if you're mounting the radio above your visor, I suppose. It makes sense to run the microphone down at an angle like that. But personally, this style of radio, these 2 versions of this radio, I'm not a fan of at all. I just don't like the look of them, to be quite honest with you. But anyways, let's check the power. We're on the 20-watt scale here. We're on the power. Bottom scale 0 to 20. So I got about 3.5 watts. Test 1 2. Test 1 2 1 2 1 2. Test 1 2 1 2 1 2. So there you go. Not much to show you really on the TRC-415. Only controls you got volume, squelch, channel selector, your little S meter, which is an LED display, basically, a couple LEDs, and your channel display on top. Of course, your microphone jack, and on back, your antenna jack, as well as external speaker. So yeah, let's take a look at the inside of a TRC-415, shall we? And so here we have it. This is the internals of a TRC-415 AM chicken band radio. You got your channel selector here, you got your microphone connector here, you got your VCO here, your PLL here, your 10240 crystal here, audio amplifier sticking over here, and you have your RF power output, should be right here, is it? Yes, right here. Your pre-driver there. So yeah, the antenna connector here, crystal filter there. So yeah, and a couple adjustments here or there for adjusting your modulation and power. And of course your main power in. Not much left on the power cord, but that can always be changed day by. And of course your speaker here, 8 ohm, 500 milliwatt or 600 milliwatt. So yeah, not a whole lot under the hood. But there you have it. That's the guts of a TRC-415 AM chicken band radio. And then we had the solder side of the TRC-415. Again, we have the PLL chip here. We have the audio amplifier over here. We have the final output right here. Pre-driver there. Antenna connector connects over here. And yeah, it's not a whole lot of soldering in this 415. And comparing this to a previous repair we've done, the soldering on the board on the 415 is actually pretty good. Very good indeed. Impressive soldering on this one. So chances of bad soldering joints on a 415 is pretty much slim to none. So based on the soldering alone, I would recommend a 415 if anybody wants an AM radio. Just on the solder. So you can tell just by the solder on the board the quality of the build of the radio. So yeah, 415. Although personally I don't like the 415, I definitely would give it a thumbs up to anybody looking for a CB radio.